Buying a new laptop, as is the case with buying a new phone or new earphones or chocolate, is extremely hard to do. There's so many choices, and you can just be left baffled and not knowing which one you want to go for. I mean, there's the white ones, there's the ones with the gooey center. There's okay, I'm gonna stop talking about chocolate. So in this series, I'm going to be going through all of the computer parts that you should be focusing on when buying a new computer or building one, and what parts are more important than other parts. I'm also intentionally going to be making these videos very, very easy to understand. So if you're not a novice to computers, this may not do much for you. And I'm also going to be skipping some of the more advanced things too. So just know that I'm not going in depth. But if you are wanting to build a laptop and desktop, I'm going to be saying everything that you do need to know when you're thinking of what parts you should get to build that computer or buy that computer. Although this is mainly going to be focused on people that are building a computer. Although the information can be carried over, obviously, to if you're buying a laptop. I'm also not going to be actually physically building a computer. I'm not going to be saying how to put the parts together or anything like that. There's a whole other series for that on YouTube. So go and check those out. People have done it way better than I do it, to be honest. But yeah, this series is just about which parts to buy. So anyway, let's get started with storage.